and that should be a very good incentive for any developer to leverage these mocking frameworks to write the test cases. Hi folks, CoTutor here, and my name is Anil Deshpande. Welcome to another video of unit testing. We will continue to develop the code that we had started writing in the previous video, which is writing the unit tests using the mock framework. So we set up fake objects using the mock annotation, and then we have set up the list of countries that we want to use during our testing, and then we wrote the setup method in which we initialized the mock objects using the mock annotations.init function, and then we initialized the repository using the mock objects, and we have written the teardown function. And now it is time to write our first test case. So once again, as is the drill, you start with the annotation test, and under that you write a function test get all with local data. If the data is coming from the local database, then what is the expected behavior and interaction with the DAO and service? That is what I am trying to test here. And once again, I am going to use run blocking. And once again, I am going to use the classic AAA mechanism. That is, first I will arrange, and then I will act, and then finally I will assert. That remains same in terms of our methodology of testing the functionality. We want to basically return all countries. So that setup can be done as coEvery country.getAll. It should returns all countries. So what I am saying is, every time country.getAll function gets called, it should return all the countries. And under the act, I get hold of the result, that is repository dot get all. So when the repository get all gets invoked, it is basically fetching the data from the local device, local database, using its interaction with countries DAO. That is how I set it up. And after that, I need to now assert it. Once again, for that, I will use assert equals. I expect it to contain 3 values. Result dot size should be 3. And then assert dot assert equals the first value in the array of result should be India. So that's what I am trying to assert. So let me just assert other things here. 1 and 2's position is USA and UK. So this is one level of assertion. Now the next assertion that I want to do is, I want to verify within the repository which methods were called how many times, whether methods from service got called or methods from data access object gets called. So the way I have set it up right now, only the data access object functionality should get called. So coVerify exactly once country dot get all. So what I am basically saying is, country data access objects get all function got called exactly once when repository dot get all was called. That is the reason why we are getting the data from the data access object. That means fetch all from the country service did not get called at all. So I can write coVerify exactly 0 times country service dot fetch all. And you also want to check that the insertions to the database didn't happen if it is already getting called from the local database. So I can write coVerify exactly 0 times country dot insert all with any parameters, if at all they were applicable, didn't get called. And now if I run this, it should basically pass the test cases. Yeah, so in the same way, let's write some more test cases. Let me minimize this. Let me write another test case. So I will write another test function, test get all with remote data. Once again, it is run blocking, and inside the run blocking, I will once again have to do the arrange, act, and assert. And the way I do the arrange is, every time country DAOs get all gets invoked, it should return an empty list. That basically means the local database is empty. And because that is empty, country services fetch all should return some values. So coEvery country service dot fetch all returns remote countries. Remote countries are defined here. It is Japan and Canada. So let's come back here. And then because it is getting called remotely, country DAOs insert all with any parameters should just run. So what is this just run? Just run is basically like saying not to actually invoke the real insert all, just create a mock execution of insert all function. So that is what this just runs mean. So RNG is done. Now it is time to act. So val result is equal to repository dot get all, and after that, so I will say assert dot assert equals, I expect two values to be there, result dot size, and then I am actually also asserting what should be the values. So the first value should be Japan and the second value should be Canada, and here result 0 name 1 name. So that is one level of assertion in terms of the result that I am getting. But now this is the final behavior. I also have to now assert the interaction. With mock, it becomes very easy to do it. So what I am saying is coVerify. I expect country DAO get all to get executed exactly once. So exactly one country DAO dot get all. And what about country service fetch all? That also should get executed exactly once. That is country service dot fetch all, and then insert all also should get executed only once with whatever parameters that it might receive. So we are done with second test case. Let me write the third test case. I want to check whether the filterings are working perfectly fine or not. So I will write a function test get all left, and once again I will do the setup. Country DAO get all returns all countries, and then after that I apply the left filter, and then after that I assert. But then I also have to test the interaction, so that I am writing using coVerify match exactly once country DAO get all. So let me close that one. In a similar way, I want to test get all right. Once again, get all returning all countries. Then I filter out the right ones. I expect only one value to be there, which is USA, and then country DAOs get all should get executed only once. That is the interaction testing. Let me write one more test case, which is if I try to fetch something with non-matching, that is coEvery get all countries, result non-matching. There is no such thing as drive side non-matching, so it should return me a empty list, and get all should still get executed once. And what happens if the DAO is empty? That is also one more test case we can write. Test empty DAO run blocking. Once again, the setup is every time country DAOs get all gets called, what do you want? I want empty list this time. That means the local database is empty, and repository get countries by side with filter left, and that should give me empty. So assert true result is empty, and get all of DAO should get called exactly once. That is what I am testing. So now let me go back to the top and run everything once. Yeah, all the test cases are running perfectly fine. Now let us compare the new test case that we have written with mock framework and the old one which was without mock framework, and try to do a very quick rundown of comparison. Here on the left hand side, which was manual fakes, we had written classes for stub country service, fake country DAO to set it up. But in this case, we had written it using the mock framework, and in the setup, we had used mock annotation.init to initialize those mock objects and use it. And then when coming to writing the test cases, here when I wrote test get all, we were only testing the final behavioral outcome. We were not able to test the interaction because that is the limitation of writing test cases with manual stubs and fakes. But here we were able to not only test the final outcome, we were even able to test the internal interaction that happens within the repository with the DAO and country service, testing which method got called how many times. So that is the biggest advantage that you have when you plan to utilize mocking frameworks to write your test cases. And that should be a very good incentive for any developer to leverage these mocking frameworks to write the test cases. So that's it in this particular video. In the next video, we will meet with the That brings us to the end of this particular video. Don't forget to like, comment, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.